This motion picture was filmed in Atlantic City, New Jersey on Easter Sunday in 1904. Captured by an early motion picture camera associated with Thomas Edison's film company, the footage shows crowds walking along the Atlantic City Boardwalk during one of the busiest holiday gatherings of the year. Visitors stroll along the boardwalk dressed in their finest Easter clothing. Women hold their hats against the ocean wind, while families ride in wicker rolling chairs pushed by attendants. Scenes like this capture everyday life during the early years of motion pictures. These images were preserved by the Library of Congress and survive today as part of the George Kleine Collection of early motion pictures.